Chicken Little, written by Laura Rader, retold by Abigail 205. There was a little chicken named Chicken Little who thought the sky was falling. He went to tell his friends that the sky was falling. He decides to go tell the king the sky was falling with his friends. Finally, he made it to the palace. Suddenly, the king started laughing when he told him the sky was falling. Why would the king laugh at a problem like this? Read more to find out. Chicken Little by Laura Rader in the Hoover Library.